Good morning. Today we're gonna be presenting you my final presentation. Today's presentation is gonna be about gateway target. So our overview right off the start, it's gonna be starting with the issue. So the issue is basically Target is having a really big scheduling issue. For the people that work there. We're being understaffed, and there's a lot of problems within that. There's been a lot of complaints the people have been saying and commenting about they have to work super hard, and HR or Target are not doing anything about it to fix it. The basically idea of this project is basically to have a conversation with the scheduling manager to see if the problem could be fixed for the future, or even come up with a solution for other targets around the US so this doesn't happen often and we're not understaffed. The introductions are simple. So basically, when trying to present this presentation to the public or even the head person at Gateway Target, my goal is to fix the schedule issue or come up with a couple amazing solutions to solve the problem. Because not always one solution is going to do it. Because there's going to be alternatives. They can't do this because of it can be like budget issues or things like that. So if you come up with multiple solutions, they're able to pick from one of them. In the next slide, we're talking about the opportunity. So the current situation is what is happening in the store in the scheduling is messed up and is putting more pressure on the people to do double the work, which means when that happens, people often tend to call out and not want to come to work, or they come to work and not give it 100%. I think the key success factors would be basically the scheduling or HR person, basically to come in and fix the issues, or the person that you could talk to. That strategic option was basically will be to come up with a plan to solve scheduling issues that is happening right now, because it's just the issue, something simple that there could be multiple solutions for. And the next step of the PowerPoint will be benefits and risks of strategic options. The benefits is that this issue will bring to the company less stress, and the employees will bring a smoother workflow, so they're not stressed as much. They're not like thinking about, oh, why am I doing all this heavy work by myself and there's no one else doing. The risk, like I was saying earlier, is the company's budget will have to rise, and that might be a big issue for a lot of companies. So that will be a big issue, but again, you're given a big budget for something which is scheduling, so later on it will pay off in the end. My final recommendation would just be to do something about the scheduling issue at Gateway Target. And to do that, we will need more hours to give to more employees, so we are not understaffed and we're not working twice as hard for someone that either didn't show up or because they underschedule, which can cause, I was saying earlier, stress. It can cause people not wanting to come to work and not work as hard when they come in. My last page will be my references, what it is, and then this will be the final project presentation link if you want to look at the slides. Thank you.